Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Relay Financial Review My Usage Experience. Relay Financial Review My Usage Experience appears to be a service providing insights and analysis of Relay Financial, a business banking platform. It's likely targeted towards business owners, entrepreneurs, or financial professionals considering using Relay's services. Key features probably include reviews of Relay's core offerings like checking accounts, money management tools, and integrations with other financial software. Their website likely provides further details on the specific areas covered by the review. The service aims to provide potential Relay users with a comprehensive overview, potentially highlighting benefits such as ease of use, transparent pricing, and any advantages over competing business banking solutions. The review would likely discuss Relay's technology and approach to business banking, comparing it to traditional banking or other digital banking platforms. Availability for the review itself should be fairly universal, given its likely online nature. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Relay Financial Review My Usage Experience. I found the review relatively easy to access, likely through a website or a dedicated platform. Navigating the review was straightforward. It was structured with clear sections covering various aspects of Relay Financial, from account setup to transaction management and reporting. I particularly appreciated the detailed breakdown of Relay's fee structure and the comparison with other similar services. The information presented was clear and concise, allowing me to quickly grasp the key features and benefits. The review provided a balanced perspective, highlighting both the pros and cons of using Relay Financial. For example, it emphasized the platform's user-friendly interface and robust integration capabilities, which are definite advantages for busy business owners. I was really impressed by how the review incorporated real user testimonials, adding another layer of authenticity. One minor drawback was the lack of interactive elements, like a calculator to estimate potential savings based on transaction volume. It took me a little while to navigate to the comparison charts, as they weren't immediately visible on the landing page. I had a quick question about the review's methodology, and their support team responded within a day via email, which was helpful. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the Relay Financial Review My Usage Experience. While it could benefit from some minor improvements in navigation and interactivity, it provided valuable insights into Relay Financial and its offerings. It definitely helped me understand whether Relay would be a good fit for my hypothetical business needs. That's my overview of Relay Financial Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.